It was raining in Boracay, hindi ka ba nilalamig? As you can see guys, it was rainy morning. Halos magdamag umulan. Pero yung it feels like ano pa rin, mainit kasi nga humid even though it's raining. So, hindi ganun talaga, So, ayan, na-sanitize na nila yung pool, nalinis na rin. So, later on, pwede nang magsiligo ang mga person. Nag-i-start na magkape-kape ang mga people in the island. So, ayun, last day namin. So, uwi na kami later. 6 na araw din kami. So, tapos na nakapag-yate, nakapag-island hopping, nakapag-parasailing, nakapag-kayak, nakapag-tuk-tuk, walking, naka-view ng sunset. So, yun. Update ko kayo later, guys. Enjoy. Keep safe, everyone. God bless. Bye.